What happens if a venomous snake is injected with its own anti-venom? Or if a venomous snake bites itself? What if you drink a venom instead of injecting it into your bloodstream? What if? So many questions, very little answers. Let's dive into the science behind anti-venoms. Anti-venoms are medications that you use to treat venomous bites or stings. So how are anti-venoms made? They are made by taking venom from a poisonous animal and injecting it into another animal, like a horse or sheep. This triggers the animal's immune system to produce antibodies, which are proteins that can neutralize the venom. The antibodies are then extracted from the animal's blood and purified to create antivenom. When someone is bitten or stung by a venomous creature, antivenom is given to counteract the effect of the venom and help the person recover. The reason why these animals are used is because they have a robust immune systems and produce powerful antibodies that can bind to snake venom components, enabling our own immune defenses to eliminate those toxins. To make the antivenom serum, antibodies are harvested from plasma that is produced by the donor animal and then purified. And in case you are wondering, the answer is no. The animal don't actually come to donate themselves. You should know that mongooses are resistant to snake venom, but they are not usually used to make antivenoms because they have a resistance built-in, which cannot really be fractioned out of the blood. Their resistance is on a cellular level. Basically, the antivenom works in this sense. You inject the so-called donor animal with the venom, they produce antibodies to fight it, then we collect the antibodies that they produce through the blood. The reason horses and sheep are used is because they are big and can produce them in large quantity instead of using small animals such as rabbits. The horses don't die because they are injected with a small amount to only make them sick. Let's get to the interesting part. What happens if a snake is injected with its own antivenom? Interestingly, nothing interesting happens. There is no significant effect. What if a snake is injected with its own venom? Well, nothing happens either. The snake was born with venom on the inside of them. They have immune cells that can fight their own venom. Although there are very few cases in which the snake dies. This is due to other factors like how healthy the snake is or the age of the snake. Now, what if the snake is bitten by another venomous snake outside its species? This is where things start to get a tad bit interesting. If the venom is strong enough, it kills the snake of the other species. Some snakes have resistance to other snake venom, while others don't. Cobra are usually resistant to local viper venoms. This is because they eat them. It makes sense. What happens when a snake bites you? Well, I am not you, so I wouldn't know. And since a snake has not bitten me yet, and I don't plan to get bitten by a snake, then I cannot give you the details from experience. Based on research, I can tell you that experiencing a venomous snake bite can be quite intense. Initially, you may feel a sharp or piercing pain at the site of the bite. This is often followed by swelling, redness and troubling sensations as the venom starts to spread through your body. Depending on the type of snake and the amount of venom injected, you might experience symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, dizziness, difficulty breathing, muscle weaknesses, and even paralysis. As the venom continues to circulate, the effect can escalate rapidly, leading to several tissue damage, organ failure, and in some cases, death if left untreated. Emotionally, the experience can be terrifying and traumatic as the realization sets in that you have been bitten by a potentially lethal creature. It's crucial to seek immediate medical attention if you suspect you have been bitten by a venomous snake, as prompt treatment with anti-venom can significantly improve the outcome. The reason an anti-venom is needed is because even though your body releases antibodies to fight the venom, those fighters might not be enough. So the anti-venom, when injected, provides your body with more fighters to win the battle. You should note that not all anti-venom works for all snake bites. So it is helpful if you can identify the snake that bit you so that the medical practitioner can administer the right anti-venom. If for some reason you get bitten by a venomous snake, or any snake for that matter, being calm is the last thing that comes to your mind, but that is exactly what you need to do. Panicking will increase your heart rate and allow you to circulate your body faster. Keep calm and look for help. Before we end the video, we should talk about eating venomous snakes. Not to put ideas in your head. It is suspected that the reason why cobra are resistant against some snakes' venom is because they eat those snakes. Again, I am not trying to put ideas in your head. Snake venoms are generally not harmful when swallowed, as they need to be injected into the tissue before they work. But when you swallow them and there is an opening to your bloodstream or an ulcer, then serious problem can occur. So, for example, if you get a snake and kill it, you probably cook it, which would reduce the potency of the venom due to denaturing by heat. When then ingested by eating, the hydrochloric acid and enzymes will break it down like any other protein, meaning that it will probably work well in your body. Since we are doing a lot of what ifs, what if you have an open wound in your mouth or throat, or you have ulcers in your upper digestive tract? Or what if the snake carries some type of zoonotic diseases? Remember, prevention is better than cure. I personally don't like snakes. I can't stand them as pets either. I mean, the reason why I'm not chilling in a garden eating fresh fruits is because a serpent deceived a woman. Don't forget, no matter how much you are scared of snakes, please and please, fear women more. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe for more videos. You can also suggest topics that you want me to talk about in the comment section. Please, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.